investment make sense for 2024. We talk about bonds. Now with stock, we're talking about international stocks and say, yeah, all right, international stocks look like them are going, right? Especially with what we're seeing with NVIDIA on fire. NVIDIA go on, right? And we have this thing they call them the Magnificent Seven in the US. They are on fire. Tesla was in the Magnificent Seven, then drop out because Tesla has been experiencing a lot of challenges this year. So it's now the Magnificent Six, them call it. But they're happening, basically all the big tech companies. Yeah, NVIDIA, your Google, Microsoft, Apple, they're in there. Those stocks, them just keep going. They keep going, they keep going, they keep going. Investors like myself, the boring people, we just sit down and we buy them and we just sit down and watch it go and go and go and go and money and the money. That's what we do. So if that's you and you think, all right, I like the boring thing, you look for these companies when the price dip and you get in. If you're feeling I like the exotic trades, the flips, the options, that's my thing. I love meme stocks. You can do that too. That can be your jam, nothing wrong. Who tune can play? You can do it, no problem, right? Them say, what if say like the clock can be 6 o'clock 2 times? Yeah, you can, nothing wrong. Pick what works for you.